Exploring the world of languages, understanding language families. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: language families. Understanding language families helps us see how languages are connected and how they've evolved over time. So, let's unravel the mystery of language families together. A language family is a group of languages that are related through a common ancestral language. This ancestral language, often called a proto-language, is not usually directly recorded but is reconstructed by linguists through various methods. Just like a family tree, language families show how languages are related to each other. They branch out, indicating how languages have evolved and diversified from their ancestral roots. Now, let's explore some major language families. 1. Indo-European. This is the largest language family, including English, Spanish, Russian, and Hindi. 2. Sino-Tibetan, encompassing languages like Mandarin and Burmese. 3. Afro-Asiatic, covering languages such as Arabic and Hebrew. 4. Austronesian, including languages like Indonesian and Tagalog. 5. Niger-Congo, with languages like Swahili and Zulu. These families show the vast diversity of human languages and their spread across the globe. Understanding language families is crucial because it helps in studying language evolution and understanding how languages influence each other. It aids in learning new languages, as languages in the same family often share common features. It offers insights into human history and migration patterns, revealing how cultures and languages have interacted over centuries. Let's zoom in on the Indo-European family, the family English belongs to. It's divided into several branches, like Germanic, English, German, Dutch, Romance, Spanish, French, Italian, Slavic, Russian, Polish, Ukrainian. Noticing similarities among these languages? That's the family connection. I hope this journey through language families has been enlightening. Language families show the beautiful tapestry of human communication and its evolution. Remember, every language you speak or learn connects you to this incredible human heritage. Keep exploring, and see you in our next language adventure.